Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss another type of problem that is related to star delta converter. Here the question is given that find equivalent resistance across AB. The question given that find equivalent resistance across between this A and B. Okay. Here we see in the internal circuit there is so many complicated, so let's see, this is a delta network. Okay, to simplify this, first we convert this delta to star. Okay, let the star equivalent is like that. Okay, let this is R1, let this is R1, this is R2, okay, and this is R3. Okay, first we find R1. Okay. This R1 according to delta conversion, this R1 equal to this into this into this divided by all 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, that is equal to 6 4 by 6, when this is equal to 0.66 ohm. Okay, as usual this R2 also this, because R2 also the same. Okay, 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 by 6. Here we can also use a shortcut method, that is if the all resistor are is same, so that in delta to star we can R by delta R by 3. Okay, that much also. This R2, then this R3 also this same. Okay, this is also 0.66 ohm. Okay, next we redraw the modified circuit. Okay, here modified circuit is like that. That is A and this is B, A, B and C. Okay, this modified equation, this is 2 as usual, and this is also same, and this is also same. Okay, and this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, and this is 2 ohm. Okay, then the internal circuit is like this, delta is converted to star. Okay, this is as usual same, 1 ohm. Okay, and this is also 1 ohm, same. Okay, and this star, this to R3 converter like that. Okay, and this is also, and then this is also, and this is. Okay, we can make it 0.66. okay, this is 0.66, this is 0.66. okay, and this is 1 ohm. Okay, this is series. Okay, then final equivalent is like that. This is to our series, so that we can modify like that. Okay, we can modify, this is as usual same, and this is also same. Okay, we can modify like that to single star network. Okay, this value is 1 plus 0.6, 1.66 ohm. Okay, 1.66 ohm. Okay, and this is also 1.66 ohm. Okay, and this is also 1.66 ohm. Okay, this is 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, and this is also 2 ohm. This is A, B and C. Okay, here we see again a delta network, again is a, there is a star network. If we convert this star to delta, it can modify like that. Okay, like that. Okay, here also same condition, all star are same, so that we can directly put the formula delta delta equivalent equal to 3 into star r. Okay, or you can put the formula directly here. See, this is let r1, this is r2, and this is r3. Okay, if you find r1, see, you find r1, this is r1 equal to, this is 1.666 plus 1.66. okay, then plus 1.66 into 1.66 divided by 1.66. okay, this is how much I can count this. Okay, this is 1.66 into 3, this is 4.98. okay, this is also same as r2, 4.98 ohm. okay, and this is also same as r3, this is 4.98 ohm. okay, again the modified circuit is like that. okay, we can modify from this value. okay, from this. okay, this is modify star. okay, we can read this way, this modify star to delta. okay, this is 4.98, this is 4.98 ohm. okay, this is 4.98 ohm. okay, and this is also connected like that, one is 2 ohm. okay, this is also 2 ohm. okay, and another, this one is also 2 ohm. okay, this is A and B and C. okay, here we see this is 2 ohm. okay, here 2 this is parallel and this is parallel and this is parallel. okay, so here we can modify this 2 into 4.98 2 plus 4.98, this is this equivalent, this and this and parallel, this is also parallel and this is also parallel. So this again modified circuit is like that. okay, modified is like that. okay, this modify is like that, A, B, C. okay, this is 1.42 and this is 1.42 and this is 1.42. here we see our objective to find resistance across AB. okay, so these two are series, so that then again modify circuit is like that. okay, see, this is series, so that again modify equation like that, this is 1 point. okay, these two are series. okay, this A, B, this A, B, C terminal is eliminated, so that this is series 2.85 ohm. okay, this is 1.42. okay, across RAB is equal to 1.42 into 2.85 divided by 1.42 plus 2.85. okay, let's find 1.42 into 2.85. okay, 1. This is answer is 0.947 ohm, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.